Good morning, folks. My name's Alex. Welcome once again to Alex's Model Trains. We are going back to Lincoln today, and off camera I'm going to take a bus back to Lincoln and then the other bus to heavens knows where the Model Rary exhibition is. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and let's get to work. Right, we have made it. Let's explore and see what there is. Here we are at Lincoln and District Model Railway exhibition at the County Assembly Rooms. This video focuses on looking at layouts, so I hope you enjoy.
I think in the end, a lot of people go for second-hand stuff, good second-hand stuff. Yeah.
I can't afford new.
Sorry?
I can't afford new. Oh, I can. But I don't get pleasure after spending 250 quid on the local.
No, you don't. No.
Looking at the TT120 layout that has been to Doncaster Model Railway Show, developed by the YouTuber Peachy TT120. So, I had a look at that layout, and I met a YouTuber called Peachy TT120, but his name is Chris. Nice to meet you, Chris.
How you doing?
So, tell me all about the layout and your YouTube channel.
Well, obviously my channel is focusing on TT120.
Yeah.
That's why it's called Peachy TT120. This was actually a layout built over a year ago. It did the season last year, as you can see from the end there.
Oh, yeah.
Did quite a few shows. It's been predominantly designed to show what you can cram in to 3 foot by 3 foot by 4 foot. This is 1200 by 900. But it's progressed to be something that a number of the retailers manufacturers want to use to showcase some of their work. So it's been at Key Model World. It showed off Hellions' new locos, and we've now actually got Hellions 122 running actually on Hornby's HM7000 using the TMC's Peachy Bridge, which is an adapter I created to go from E24 to Next 18. It's also been on Hornby's stand, I think, at Getz, where we were trying to show off the Terriers and the J50. There's a little J50 sitting up there on the shuttle at the moment. But it's been fun. We've been surprised particularly here at the TMC, about how well TT120 has been received and how the sales are doing and how strong it is in the market at the moment. It certainly is, for us, second place behind 00.
Okay.
And the biggest issue you've got is running out of stock.
Yeah.
Buying it.
Tell me about it.
It's crazy.
And here it is. That's these two QR codes. And it would be nice if you subscribe to his channel. He would be very happy if you do. But yeah, thank you very much for your time and chatting me about it.
Absolute pleasure. Hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
Yeah, and I'll see you around.
Take care.
Cheers.
It's the YouTuber Peachy TT120. A link to his channel is provided in the description below. Check it out and subscribe to his channel. Next, I met Tom Marshall again. Let's have a chat with him.
So, I met another YouTuber, Tom Marshall from Buggles Kelly Station. Tom, we meet again. And what you've got here is, as usual, you have wagons and 3D printed stuff. And what else have you got here?
Got lots of bits. We've got figures. Got lots of gift bits like magnets and coasters and tea towels. These are new. Little chopping boards for Buggles Kelly Bacon.
Oh wow!
So yeah, quite a lot. Yeah.
Yeah, and as usual, you have these dioramas and those model buildings. They look fantastic. They are. And yeah, if you would like to have a look, and please do. It's worth looking. And also, it would be much appreciated if you subscribe to his channel as well. And good to see you again, and I'll see you out. Enjoy the whole show.
Cheers, and you.
Cheers.
Bye.
Good to see you again, Tom. Again, thank you for your time to chat to me on what you have for sale on your store. The link to his channel is also provided in the description below. Check it out and, like I said, subscribe to his channel too. And here's something that was from my childhood. Yes, the Thomas and Friends layout. The best bit of all, I have permission to control, which is fun if you want to see these trains go fast or slow. Well, my work here is done. I'm looking forward to coming back and make a video again. But something happened unexpectedly at the end.
That was an interesting ending, wasn't it? Unfortunately, we had to evacuate the building because the fire alarm is activated. So, but the best sign is that I think I'm going to leave that video here. But I'm sure things are alright in there. Shout out to the two YouTubers who I have met. And thank you all very much for watching. And stay tuned for more content soon, I suppose. Cheers now.